So remember last week when I said we weren't gonna put the bike riding off, like no, we weren't gonna wait until the weekend to do it because doing everything in 2 days was really hard. Well, it's Saturday and we've got 40 miles to do this week and we've done 0. This is gonna be harder than we thought, I think, because life is happening. So the past couple weeks we've had time. Ben's not even here. All weekend, he's busy at some kind of golf tournament. I don't know. He's not playing, he's just watching. So I'm here, so I think I'll do a little bike riding today. But yeah, he's not gonna get his miles this week. And I'm looking towards every other weekend we have coming up, and we're pretty busy. So we're gonna just do our best, see what happens, and yeah, here we go. What do you think, dogs? 20 miles today? 10 miles? You are covered in dirt. Let's get this over with so I can get into the pool. Hey, Nora. First mile, done. 2 miles done. You guys bored? 3 miles, and I'm getting sweaty. Woohoo, 4 miles. You know what it is? I'm practicing the bike part of RAGBRAI, and Ben is out there practicing the fun part. It's really a team effort. Oh, 5 miles, 6, 7 miles, and I'm tired. I wonder if Ben's having any fun.
Go, Scotty.
I just remembered I left a pancake in the car. Yum. Hey, Steven. 9 miles featuring Nora. I'm sweating and I'm gonna do 10 more, I think. 11 miles in, I'm ready to get in the pool, so I'm gonna blast through these last 9 and jump in. Yay! Yay! We did it, Nora! Oh my gosh. That was hard. That was hard. That was hard. I'm sweaty. Can you tell? 90 minutes. 20 miles. What was that? What? Do you guys want to go swimming? Do you want to get in the pool? Good job, everybody. We did it. See you tomorrow. How you feeling?
Fine.
Hey, Peter.
Yeah.
Happy Sunday, everybody. We've got another 20 miles to do today. Ben is still at the golf tournament, so it's just me again. Today, I think I'm gonna try to beat my time yesterday. I did an hour and a half. So I'm gonna push myself a little bit today and see if we can't up those numbers a little bit. This will be my reward after 20 miles. Like, down to the minute. What? That can't be real. I was within 30 seconds of what I did yesterday. That's weird. Is it the bike or am I just that consistent? Because I felt like I pushed today, but yeah, I mean, maybe I did push yesterday and I just forgot. That was tough, but I did 40 miles and Ben had fun. Next week will be tough. We're gonna be in Jacksonville. My sister wrote a book and her launch party is next week, so we're gonna be out of town. We'll do our best, but we will see if Road to RAGBRAI continues next week. Other than that, hey, thanks for watching this week. We did it.